The human cell operates as an active, highly precise biological factory, continuously running at a completely frenzied pace. The machines running this factory are proteins, and their function depends entirely on their ability to fold into specific three-dimensional shapes. This diagram illustrates how the cell prevents folding errors. It relies on specialized proteins known as molecular chaperones, like HSP70 and HSP60. A raw, unfolded chain of amino acids enters this barrel-like structure and emerges fully folded and ready to work. Inside that barrel, the chaperone is performing a specific task. It shields the protein's hydrophobic patches, water-repelling sections that, if left exposed in the crowded fluid of the cell, would stick to other proteins and form toxic clumps. Folding a single protein requires multiple rounds of binding and releasing, consuming large amounts of cellular energy. Millions of these cycles happen inside you every single second, constantly burning energy just to maintain biological order. These chaperones serve as the cell's quality control system, fiercely protecting the physical expression of your genetic blueprint to prevent disease. This meticulously managed factory is under constant siege from external and internal forces. Mutagens, physical and chemical agents from the environment, crash into our DNA and create permanent typos in the genetic code. Our own bodies produce internal mutagens. During the normal process of digesting a meal, mitochondria produce reactive oxygen species that can fracture your DNA from the inside out. The outside world presents even more frequent threats. Invisible ultraviolet radiation hits the skin, breaking molecular bonds and physically fusing DNA bases together. When a single environmental glitch slips past our molecular defenses, it permanently alters the biological instructions. When a high-energy mutagen strikes the DNA, it can cause a single nucleotide base to suddenly swap with another. In a point mutation, swapping just one letter directly changes the amino acid that gets added to the protein chain. As the protein tries to fold, this new amino acid repels its neighbors, causing the entire geometric structure to warp. The cell's chaperones try to fix the fold, but they are powerless. They are attempting to follow a blueprint that now contains a physical contradiction. The mutant protein either degrades into uselessness, or its exposed edges stick to other broken proteins, forming dangerous aggregates. An invisible, microscopic typo in the DNA sequence rapidly cascades into a catastrophic physical failure within the cell. In the human body, this microscopic error can lead to systemic collapse. In hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen, a single folding error is devastating. When the hemoglobin protein misfolds, it exposes a hydrophobic patch. To hide this patch, the molecules clump together inside the blood, forming long, inflexible rods. These rods physically deform red blood cells into stiff sickle shapes. These crescents snag on capillary walls, blocking oxygen flow to tissues and organs. This is the medical reality of the sickle cell trait. It is an inherited genetic disease requiring a massive clinical effort to track and diagnose and treat the lifelong damage caused by that single swapped letter. However, in regions plagued by malaria, this mutation provides a survival advantage. The malaria parasite cannot easily hijack these deformed blood cells to replicate. A mutation causing a medical disaster in one environment simultaneously acts as a biological shield in another. Zooming out across thousands of years of history, the role of these genetic errors changes. Constant environmental bombardment functions as a chaotic editor for the human species. While many glitches cause disease, others provide sudden resistance to viruses, the ability to process oxygen at high altitudes, or a reduced risk of diabetes. When environmental pressures sweep through a population, individuals with these beneficial glitches survive, while others do not. Survivors pass this modified code to their offspring. Over generations, what began as a random transcription error becomes the new normal for the entire species. The chemical vulnerability that fractures our cellular machines and causes inherited disease is the same mechanism that generates life-saving adaptations. Without a hostile environment causing glitches in our DNA, life on Earth would have never adapted, evolved, or survived.